Hi, my name is Saad Ahmed and I'm with my team member.
Hi, my name is Umar Afzal, and my team member Saad is talking about his machine that we use for construction site.
I'm going to talk about excavator today. Excavator are very heavy construction equipment which consists of boom, ripper or stick buckets and cap on rotating platform. The specification of excavator are that it can rotate 360. The boom and buckets are attached to chassis work in construction to move materials but are controlled independently. So the uses of excavator are material handling, construction, and you can use snow removal and digging the trench holes and these kind of things. And it's a very hard job, and the pay rate of this job is like 80 to 120 between 80 to 120 dollars per hour. And if you rent the excavator, that's a bit expensive, but mostly people rent the excavator for construction work because it's very hard to get an excavator for one person. So mostly the companies are giving excavator on rent. So, and I'm also going to talk about drum truck. A drum truck is also known as tripper truck. So used for taking mud and other things from one place to other construction site. So like mud, sand, and these kind of things which we use for building, which we use for build other like construction things. So if you see the specification, a typical drum truck is equipped with an open bed which is hanged at the rear equipment with the triangle ramps to the left front and the allowing material in bed to deposit the bed. So the function of the drum truck is used to transport material such as sand and dirt from one place to another. And now Umar is going to talk about compactor and dozer.
Yeah, I am talking about bulldozer. That is a heavy equipment that we use that have metal plate known as blade, which we use to push large quantity of sand, soil, clay like these things from any construction site. And from any construction site, bulldozers are found on construction site and many high-based factories, because we used in factories we also use bulldozer because we used to push heavy things like in boxes which we used to push heavy things, and we also used in military bases because sometimes we need to use make a surface smooth for army to go. And bulldozer are a very powerful machine, and it is in construction side the sand also very soft, and other equipment become mud into the sand, and bulldozer is very heavy equipment that is stay on rough surface, and we use for moving like other thing for heavy thing. And we also use the bulldozer for agriculture work. And I also talk other equipment, compactor, which we use to move such as biomass, and we use compactor for heavy project. And the cost of compactor on rent is per hour is $80 to $140. And we also need to about safety of using this dozer. Person that operate these machines should have proper license and also wear proper uniform and proper boot for construction site.
Yes, and now we gonna talk about a little bit about the prices of the drum truck. The drum truck cost like if you hire a person to drive it, then it's gonna cost you like $150 per hour. You have to pay to the driver of that truck. And if you wanna see the dozer, is the same price for the dozer as well. But it's very hard to get that to find a person who can drive the excavator and compactor. You can find easily the drum truck drivers, but it's very hard to find the excavator and dozer drivers. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys like our video and subscribe our page. Thank you so much.